Alhamdulillahi Rabbil Alameen. As-salatu was-salamu ala khatimin nabiyyin wa ala alihi wa sahbihi ajma'in, amma ba'd. Fa'udhu billahi minash shaitanir rajim. Bismillahir rahmanir rahim. Qala Allahu ta'ala fi Surah Al-Anfal. وَإِذْ زَيَّنَ لَهُمُ الشَّيْطَانُ أَعْمَالَهُمْ وَقَالَ لَا غَالِبَ لَكُمُ الْيَوْمَ مِنَ النَّاسِ وَإِنِّي جَارٌ لَكُمْ فَلَمَّا تَرَاءَتِ الْفِئَتَانِ نَكَصَ عَلَى عَقِبَيْهِ وَقَالَ إِنِّي بَرِيءٌ مِّنكُمْ إِنِّي أَرَىٰ مَا لَا تَرَوْنَ إِنِّي أَخَافُ اللَّهَ وَاللَّهُ شَدِيدُ الْعِقَابِ. Translation. And recall when Shaitan made their sinful deeds seem alluring and pleasing to them and said, "No one of the mankind can overcome to conquer you today. And indeed, I am your neighbor and supporter for you." But when the two armies came to face each other, he turned away and took a flight and said, "I am disassociating from you. Certainly I see what you do not see. Indeed, I fear Allah, and Allah is strict in punishment." During the Battle of Badr, the Quraysh were very arrogant and very proud on their force and power, but they were fearful of a tribe which is known as Bani Kanana because they had some enmity with them, and they were fearing that Bani Kanana could come and fight against them. But Shaitan came as the leader of Bani Kanana, whose name was Surah bin Malik, and he also brought his army of shayateen and told Abu Jahl that don't worry, we are with you, and don't worry about the Kanana, we will be fighting for you. When the two armies came in front of each other at the same time, the Shaitan left the Quraysh, and Abu Jahl said, "O Suraka, at this time, at the peak of the time, where are you leaving? Where are you flying away?" He said that I'm able to see what you are not able to see, meaning the angels that were coming, and I am so fearful that I cannot stay, and I am fearful that the severe punishment may come and get me. Qatada wrote that this Mal'oon Shaitan was lying. He was not fearful of Allah. However, he knew that at that time Quraysh cannot win and they will be losing. And this is the old habit of Shaitan, that he will get his prey in the trap and at the same time he will run away. And that's what Shaitan did with Quraysh, that when he felt that Quraysh is going to lose, he left them and ran away. Let's pray that Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala give us true understanding of Quran, connect us with the truthful people, and make us steadfast on the straight path. Ameen. Wa akhiru da'wana alhamdulillahi rabbil alameen. Wassalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu.